So when using adhesive locks, it's very important to make sure you clean off any surfaces before you attach them. Just to give you an idea of how this would be attached, you would simply place it nice and flush along this edge and hold it there for a few seconds, maybe like 10 seconds. Make sure you apply some pressure, make good contact with that surface. You have this handy little tool, and this fits right into this top piece. What's nice about this is it helps line up the mag locks. So when the mag lock goes in here, you'll have your adhesive here. All you have to do is close the door, and that adhesive will stick to that door. What's nice about that is you don't have to line anything up. Then you just want to make sure that you apply enough pressure to make a good adhesion between the door and that lock. And then it's done. You won't be able to get in unless you have a magnet. Now, any magnet will do. The nice thing about these mag locks is you have the option of depressing it or not depressing it. So there's a little latch under here. If you go and depress that latch, you won't have to use the magnet to open the door. Now, say the kids are home and you don't want them getting into whatever chemicals you have under the sink or anywhere else, you can just move that back, and now it's back to being a magnetic lock. All you would need to do is the magnetic key. Really, it's just a magnet. So you just put that there, depress it, it works, and then if you want to see this way, also, if you have young kids at home, you want to keep them safe, but at the same time, this brings up another point. We have these great soft close cabinets, and what's great about this is, especially when the kids are sleeping, you can't slam the doors, you don't make any noise when you close anything, so you're not waking up any little kids.